Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a slow cooker chicken pot pie. Now this is just like the filling of the pot pie. I like to serve this in a bread bowl or just like dip some bread in it. It's so good and so delicious. You can for sure add biscuits to the top and just cook it with biscuits probably like the last hour or so. Just add it to your slow cooker, but I prefer with bread. So yeah, let's get started. You ready?
Yeah.
Did you like the chicken pot pie?
Yes.
Yes, you did. You ate a lot. Okay, say bye.
I shoes.
And shoes, yeah.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need